Welcome back to the channel. Behind me, you'll see Mike Barone finishing up his latest 250R build. This isn't an MR Unlimited build, but I want to show you guys some content because it's been a while on this channel. If you're interested in seeing more of Mike's builds, head over to my channel, Drew Campbell Racing, and check out some of his videos on that channel. But here's this build. Enjoy.
This is a Laeger 250R ProTrax XC build. So the motor we're putting in this one is an LRD 300 XC motor. We're putting Axis long travel suspension on it. It's got a full Laeger ProTrax front end with the T-pin spindles. This is a Laeger narrow CR500 Link XC frame. Pretty rare frame to get your hands on. I wouldn't say it's really a Borich story, but I always loved his 2002 Laeger build that he had. It's probably a little hybridish. You know, I colored the frame yellow like he did. I kind of copied his graphic kit on it a little bit. You know, it'll probably look the same, but it's not the same if you look at them together. So this is kind of a Borich, Chris Borich 2002 themed build of his 250R. Not identical. I would say they're probably going to be fraternal twins because they're not identical. But this build I'm building as a rider. So I built a Lobo and I don't ride that, and I don't plan on ever riding it really except on the lawn. But this one is going to be ridden. It's going to be my play bike. It might see a couple of local Nioa races because they just put in a new vintage class. So this will fit that criteria. And I would really, really, really like to bring this to Ironman and race it at Ironman. I got some buddies stopping by today to help with the build, so let's get started.
So when you order gloves, do you go for like sky blue or
High vis green?
I just
anything in high
jerked
vis.
off Shrek green.
I was wondering where you got those, wasn't it?
Harbor Freight last night.
Great.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, they were on sale for $1.99 a box.
Easy, easy. He's hulking out, everybody. He's starting with his hands.
What a dick.
Really?
can fist this just about. Good. Oh, that lubed really help. Rounded look. Sorry.
This is a 36 millimeter air striker.
We got 17 somewhere?
What?
You got it in your hand, right? Yeah. Oh, I push back a little bit. Towards the there you go. I always put it all in, but never halfway. You know what I mean? You can do that. I'll get the oil ready for the motor. I got there, buddy. Let's get skip. Risky, please. Which is the problem I have. That's fine.
John, you look tired.
Ready to go.
Get it? Tired.
All right, so we got her running. We added a couple more things off camera because we had to have the front master cylinder here milled out to 1 inch to fit the bars. But we put that on, clutch lever, the RTC radiator louvers and shrouds, and I think that was it. So here's the rear plastic, and I couldn't put these on because this happens to be a flip top rear subframe, so I had to mount it like this. Then these just go up like that. Here's the front plastics. So we're gonna wheel this outside so Drew can get a couple of detailed shots of it. I'm gonna get my riding gear on and give it a spin since this is my rider.
For row number 1, the XC1 Pro.
So that's my Laeger 250 XC Pro Tracks build. I'm gonna need therapy after that. We'll see you at the races.